All right, so next up on the schedule is St. Patrick's Day. It's coming up quick, and I am going to be running some training on this, so let me know in the comments if you want to join it. Just post interested, and I'll get back to you. But go to Etsy, type in St. Patrick's Day shirts. You're going to find a boatload of shirts. So what we're going to do is apply our filters here too. We'll just go to all filters. And we'll go physical products, because you can do physical or digital for St. Patrick's Day. I'm personally going to be doing both, physical and digital, because I like print on demand, and I like the digital side as well. Now up here in the URL bar, remove the ship to thing and change the word star to best, and then hit enter. And now we only have best sellers for St. Patrick's Day shirt. Most likely do an Irish exit. That's funny. Noise. O'Connor, I love Irish boys. Don't know what that says. I'm sure it's runes. Okay. I love Irish boys. St. Patrick's Day boozing and cruising. Something as simple as a shamrock works well. So Patty's Irish Pub, of course. Adult daycare director, aka the bartender. Might be coffee, might be bourbon, might be both. That's funny. Wee bit Irish. One lucky teacher. Brewing company. Okay, so let's actually sort these now by best to least. So let's go product analytics. Let's go total sales. Let's look at what we're looking at. That is, I'm using Everbee, by the way. If you want it, ppc-coach.com/Everbee, you can get it. That's leggings. That's a garland, name in runes. See, that might be a trademark thing. Don't know if I want to do that too much. Venture awaits. Luggage tag gifts. I can't be... Okay, let's click on this one. It's not a shirt, but it's selling like crazy. I can be your lucky penny. You can be my four-leaf clover. So, just an idea. Let's analyze this listing. You could take this one. It has 1,177 sales, 32 months old, priced at $564. It's 2 keychains, but it's the quote that pays. So I can be your lucky penny, and then you can have another one in the listing. You could sell 2 t-shirts in one listing. The other one could say, you can be my four-leaf clover. So there you go. There's 2 shirts right there, and like a couple or something could wear that. But this is a customized one. Anyway, let's go back here. Let's find some shirts. This one with the clovers on the sleeves and lucky around there. In 20 baskets, $38. Holy cow. That's a winner right there. So this one has 971 sales and it's 11 months old. So let's just pull out the old calculator here real quick. Let's see, 971 times 38.02. That's pretty good. Not bad. And let's say their margin is like, I don't know, 15% on the conservative side. 5,500 profit. So that's all after fees and ads and everything. Although on Etsy, it could, no, I would say 15% probably, because you got to pay the base costs and shipping and all that good stuff. Now, are there suppliers that have the ability to print on the sleeves and on the neck? Yes, there are. There definitely are. Off the top of my head, I don't know who they are, but I do know they have them. So there's an option. Just simple ones. Simple usually works really well. Here's a custom one. So custom Shamrock personalized last name shirts. So they put the name on the front, and it's just a Shamrock with a name. That's it. And here on Etsy, they're doing this. So $25.38 is the cheapest option, which is a pepper t-shirt. But if they get into a green sweatshirt, look at the price go up. And then size is, say you're a large. Then they would enter the name, so like Smith. And then you can do this on Printify. You could also do this on another company and have it more automated. But you order that, and that's pretty big. So let's look at the sales on this one. 652, and let's call it half that. Oh no, let's say people are ordering that one. So in here, we've got 652 times 67.7. That's nice. That's nice. $6,600. Not too shabby right there. I like it. Good job. And then we'll go to another one. This one is a funny bartending shirt, which I don't think is necessarily adult daycare director. That's actually funny. That'd be perfect. Now, size-wise, just pick like a large and you'll get the real price. Even that $13.97, I don't know how. I don't know how these people are selling these so cheap without losing money. But that is a good design. Then let's go back here and let's go to minimalist shamrock. So it's literally you could make a shamrock, slap it on there, and be good to go. This one's in 6 cards. Let's go to like an adult large. There we go. And that is how many sales? 588. This listing is like 2 years old, mind you, but still, it does work. 588. Let's say on average 20.45. Not too bad. Times 0.15. I mean, $883 profit. That's my profit assumption. And let's go back here. See if there's any others. Just looking through. Be kind. Shamrock. Cute Shamrock. Shenanigans coordinator. All right. What we're going to do now, too, is we're going to erase this, and we're going to erase this. We're just going to search for St. Patrick's Day shirts. And what you're going to get when you do that is you're going to get a mix of physical products and digital products. So on here, you can see these. The first row is typically ads, although I don't see sponsored by on there. And then something as simple as that can do very well. Even this one, you look at this and you think you're buying a shirt, but you're not. Watch this. When I open this up, you can buy this design. So everybody in the pub getting tipsy, that would take you forever to make on your own. You can pay this guy or girl $2.34 and you can get that. And then you can use it as long as you have commercial rights. Let's see what's included. They don't really say. So what I would do in this case is message them and just say, do I have commercial rights to use this for print on demand? And they'll tell you. But that thing is selling really well. And it's selling 313 over the past 10 months. So that would be a really good one to put on a shirt. Like it'd work really well. Although, if you could change the colors so that it'd work well on a green shirt, that might be a little bit better. But that is still pretty cool. Oh, there's a green shirt one. Right there. So that, I think, would be a really good design for St. Patrick's Day. And you could just buy the design in this case, and you can slap it on a shirt. And there's more in here too. There's Let's Get Shamrocked. So something like this, you're wondering how the heck do I make a shirt like this? I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial here. So it says Let's Get Shamrocked. That's the, there's no sales on this one. Okay. Still, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And if you have ChatGPT 4, you can do this. Can you make an image that says, let's get shamrocked for a St. Patrick's Day t-shirt design on a white background? And check this out. It'll take a second, and it could get the spelling wrong too, because the spelling is not 100% on these yet. But it used to be, you had to go to Midjourney, and I still do use Midjourney quite a bit for the AI generated designs that I do. But this one, using ChatGPT 4, I can have it create the image and put it on a white background, so I can remove the background very easily. And hopefully they get the spelling right. But they typically come up with some pretty cool stuff. So hopefully it doesn't stall out on me. I'm just going to pause it. Well, oh, no, there, completed. There you go. Almost had it. Almost. So close. So close. So close. All right, so let's try that again. Can you... I'm going to say an image that says, let's get shamrocked on a white background with a St. Patrick's Day theme. Try that instead. I'm going to pause it while it does it. Now, that one didn't work, so what I'm going to do is hit reload, refresh, regenerate, and I'll let it do another one. But once you do a couple of these, you'll eventually hit on one that does work. So I'm going to pause it again. Okay, I came up with this, and this is actually decent because I can easily edit this. So I can remove this word shamrock, and I could go into Canva or Photoshop or Photopea, and I could just delete this word and replace it with a correctly spelled one, because the font is, I could get a similar one, and I could curve it to match. So there's a design that you could do, although if you're not happy, I mean, just hit another one and keep regenerating until you get one. The point was not really to generate themes with AI, but it was more to show you that it's time for St. Patrick's Day, and it's time to start thinking about what you can sell shirt and sweater, and not only that, but digitally for St. Patrick's Day. So there's a lot of options. You should take advantage of the holiday. Let me know what you're planning for St. Patrick's Day in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.